Hola, mama. Okay, so step one. You're just gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes, maybe like 3 minutes, and do a little bit of a warm up. This is gonna be for an arm day. So what I like to do to warm up for an arm day is lay on my back, do like wrist circles, maybe do these things with my arms going back and forth. What else do I like to do? Just like stretch, breathe deep. I also might do like shoulder rolls or neck circles. So just do some of that for about 3 minutes or so. The first round is going to be chest press. I think it's like lat pulls, you'll see in a second, and crunches or sit-ups. So step one, you're going to get your 2 weights for chest press, which I feel like, Mom, honestly, you could probably do like 20 pounds. I think you normally do 15s, but I think you could do 20. And this is where you lay on your back and go about 45 degrees, and you want to keep your wrists over your elbows, and you're going to do, you can do 45 seconds, you can do 8 reps, or you can just go until failure. So, breathe. 2 like this. Then these we're gonna call lat pulls. I don't really think they're called that, but I can't remember what they're called. And that's where you get your 2 weights like this, and you put a leg up, and this is where you make the J. So you're gonna do, you're gonna get to failure on both sides. And Mom, I feel like with this, you could probably also do 20 pounds, but if you wanted to do 15, you could do that too. So you'll do one side. I'm gonna move the camera over here so you can actually see my form a little bit better, but you're gonna go up like a J, down, 2, 3, and you just wanna get to failure. So I went really heavy this time, so I'm just doing 6 reps, but if you go lighter, then you might need to do more to get to failure. And then you're gonna do the other side. So you'll switch and you'll do your right side. Same thing. The last exercise of this round is gonna be ball crunches. So I like to put the ball like right above my tailbone. And sometimes I like to lay my legs flat like this. Sometimes I like to put them up. You can have a weight if you want to go heavier, or you can just use body weight. And you'll do this until failure. So you can cross your arms over your chest like this. You can imagine a string is pulling your chest up to the ceiling. Make sure you breathe. You can put your hands behind your neck if you need it to be a little harder, or out like this to make it a little easier. And now you'll repeat that 2 more times. Chest press, shoulder pulls, lat pulls, and abs. And then again, chest press, shoulder, lat pulls, and abs. Great job, Mom. You got this. Pause the video, do that, and then press play again when you're ready for the next exercises. Next up, we have triceps, biceps, and shoulders. The first exercise is gonna be skull crushers. So you're gonna get your 2 weights. Mom, you're gonna use these little guys, I bet, or maybe, yeah, you'll use those little guys. And you're gonna line up your wrists right over your shoulders, kind of nail your shoulders into the ground. And you're gonna dip, and you'll do that until failure, maybe 8 to 10 reps or whatever will get you close to failure. So once again, I'm going heavier, and I'm just gonna do 6. So 1, 2. Next is gonna be bicep curls. So you're gonna be up on your knees and you're gonna do bicep curls until failure. Or if you're going really heavy, you can just do 6. You, mom, would normally use these 10 pounds, but you could always challenge yourself with 15. I'm gonna try 20 pounds today and just do 6 to just really challenge myself. So 1, 2, 3. Next up is going to be shoulder abductions, like this with your weight. Mom, if I were you, I would use this to get 5 pounds. Or if you wanted to challenge yourself and do 7.5 and just do 6 reps, you could do that too. So I'm just gonna do 6 and I'm challenging myself with weight. You could go lighter with 5 and do until failure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I actually got to failure there because this is really heavy for me, so I just did 5. And then you'll switch to the other side and you'll do the same thing. And you're up on your forearm here. And now you'll repeat that 2 more times. So you'll do skull crushers, you'll do bicep curls, and you'll do shoulder abductions. And then again, you'll do triceps again, biceps, shoulder abductions. Okay, if you press play again, I'm assuming you're done with that. And that means you finished the workout for today. So turn on your favorite praise and worship song. And well, maybe since you worked your shoulders, roll out your shoulders. And the same thing as the cool warm up. Just lay and rest. Love you. You did it, Mom. Woohoo!